Hey guys, what's up? So today we are doing a Halloween trivia since Halloween is coming up, and I am going to be having pretty cool fun with this video because I know pretty much nothing about Halloween. So let's get started. And don't forget we do got a face cam, so let's do this. Halloween trivia questions. Alright, what is the name of the harvest festival that many people believe Halloween is based on? I have no idea. Samhain. Produced the Sam, Win, or Showing. In the word Halloween, what are hollows? Hallows Eve. I don't know. Saint or holy people is the answer. In what country was the first account of children using the phrase trick or treat for Halloween? On Halloween? Canada. I didn't get those tweets down with this. It was Canada. How many children have been seriously injured or killed from poison candy given to them by strangers during Halloween? I'd say about 0. What were the original jack-o'-lanterns made from? Pumpkins. That's what I would expect. Turnips. Also, manglewort. And what are turnips? In what country did carving jack-o'-lanterns most likely originate? Alright, what candy is the second most popular Halloween candy? Kit Kat? I don't know, there's so many candies, I don't even know. Candy corn. In terms of party held in the USA, Halloween is third. What 2 days have more parties than Halloween? New Year's Eve and the Super Bowl. That was the answer, guys. In what American state is it illegal to dress up like a parrot or a nun? Alabama. What was Bram Stoker's original name for Dracula? I don't know. Count Wamper. Yeah, Dracula is much better. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys later on the next adventure of Gamer Chase. Bye! Peace! Alright guys, so like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys later. With me and you will see. Alright, You have 15 seconds. Good luck. Honestly, I don't know this. There's a lot that I'm probably not going to know. And the answer is... switches. I didn't actually really watch that, but I think it's the end of my heart, right? Hocus Pocus. Sarah Jessica Parker. Come Little Children. Hocus Pocus. Okay, I didn't know if you needed to know all that. But Hocus Pocus, I got it. I don't know this one. The Humping Hour. I don't know that, do you? I don't know this one either. Oh, really? What's this Scooby-Doo? Does it count for Halloween now? I don't want to count for Halloween. Ghostbusters. This is something weird. Goosebumps. I love Goosebumps. Run, run, Rudolph. Casper.
The friendliest ghost you know. No grown-up might looking at it with fright. The children all laugh and sorrow. Casper, the friendliest ghost. Couldn't be bad to me.
What's this one? Adam's Family.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together kooky. The Addams Family. Their house is a museum where people come to see you.
What does that wispy little brat have that you don't have, Double?
She can't hold a candle to the beauty of your smile.
How about a pulse?
I don't know this one, guys.
Overfed.
Overblown. If we only knew the you that we
Oh,
know.
my uncle would know that when I had
And
the
that silly
Council
little
Bride.
creature isn't wearing his ring.
I don't know this one either. Real Monsters. I know this one.
Love is strange. Oh,
I've
when
seen
there's
this one, but I
beauty
can't
on
remember.
the inside, the outside, there's nothing to
Thank you.
left out. I know, or after it, I wanna be
Some
I may be selfish, yeah, and all of I may be bossy.
Garfield's
I may
Halloween
lack-
Special. There's this Carlin. Oh! Okay, guys, pretend I never saw this. So this answer is Jack. Okay. Alright, guys, so if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like. Anyways, like I said, sorry, I didn't mean to do that, but make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for real this time, and we'll see you guys later on the next adventure of Gamer Chase. Bye! Peace.